Hey everyone, if you've never used Claude AI before, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to get started from zero. No experience needed, and yeah, you can start right away. First, go to the Claude AI website and create a free account. Just use your email or Google to sign up, and once you're in, you'll see the main chat screen. Next, click New Chat and type something simple. You can ask a question like, explain how photosynthesis works, or write a short paragraph about success. This helps you get familiar. Now, try real tasks. Ask Claude to write emails, create social media posts, summarize notes, or even generate ideas. This is where you start seeing how useful it really is. As you go, make your prompts more specific. Instead of write a post, say write a friendly Instagram caption about fitness for beginners. Uh, Better prompts mean better results. Finally, copy what Claude creates and use it in your work, studies, or projects. You can edit it, improve it, and make it your own, and that's it. You don't need experience to use Claude AI. Just start simple, practice a bit, and you'll get better fast. Give it a try today.